All right, so check it. Not only can that wire go there, but check this. So we switched it. So originally, let me put it back to the way it originally was. Jesus. Let me put it back to the way it originally was. The difference was this is going here. So I said that this one, which was here, and this one was here. This is the way it was originally set up. And I'll go through everything again. So here to here, here to here, here to here, here. Oh, that's the crazy stuff he did. That was different. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to call these work. So don't fall. I just want to show here. All right, bang, 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 bang. Let me just recheck. Here to here, and then here to here, as well as here to here, as well as here to here. All right. So I'm gonna show you all the different combinations. Boom. So this is parallel. See, now if this was in series, each light would be dimmer. They would be equally dim, but they would be dimmer. But because they have their own power supply, they're gonna have their own brightness. This is gonna be as if there's only one in there, right? So cool. So I'm gonna turn this off real quick. And what he did, he took this and stretched it all the way down. I'm gonna lift this up real quick so that I can fit. So everything's the same. I just brought this to the one so we can get in there. Was taking off this one and bringing it all the way down here. So I got a track. It can go back and it can go forward because then it can put you back into here and then into there. So this should work. Crazy. We went from here, here. That was the only difference. Now I'm gonna put that one back and we're gonna talk about that original one. So that's 2. So now we're back to original. This one can also go here. So this bulb here can also go right there. And it should still work. Nice. All right, cool. I like it. Great. I just want to go back to the way I originally had the notes, just because that's the way I like to have things. Cool. So once again, we're picking it up. Cool. Bang here. Bang here. Oh, my hand's not even in the screen. My bad. So here. 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 And then from here into there. And then from here into there. Back to L1. Cool. Moving on. All right, great. So I'm going to unplug real quick so I can get some resistance going on. All right, let's get this set to the omega. Cool. So make sure we're good to go. We are good. Cool. Let's do it. All right, so come in here. Put this up back there. Our resistance from L1 to L2 is... Oh, my bad. It's going to be 8.5 ohms from L1 to L2. Oh, let's see what the bulb is. Wait 1 second. So we're doing parallel resistance. Oh, you got to do reciprocal formula, or for 2 resistors, and product sum. No, product sum is for 2, and reciprocal is for 3 or more. So if this is 8, these should be higher. Each one of these should be higher. 8. 8. 8. All right. Resistance. Oh, is it because it's not up? No, that's not it. Reciprocal is it's lower than the lowest. It's lower than the lowest. So this Let me do here to here. 0.1. So everything's off. Oh well. Okay, 0.1. But 8. This is parallel. In the Kirchhoff's law, you gotta use reciprocal or product sum. So why am I getting the same number? They each have their own power supply. Let me try from here to here. So I go around 8. Let me go ask. Alright, so the instructor told me, alright, so when we're reading here to here, that is the total resistance, right? And if you want to, and whether you're doing it, let me just put it back because we had a, so I'm just, all I did was this one goes here, and then this one goes back. So this is for the original wiring, we just. This is the water outlet of the alright, so listen, so this is the, to get that total resistance, we're just going from L1 to L2, right? L1 to L2, L1 to L2, you got the 7.5, right? Now, if we go here and here, we're gonna get like the same total resistance no matter where we go, right? Because it's like the same throughout, but here's the thing. Same thing should be 7.3, somewhere around 8. Let me go over here. Alright, so it's gonna be the same throughout. If you want the individual resistance of this, of what's going across here, you have to disconnect it. Kind of like you have to cut the power off here. You have to disconnect it so that you can get the individual. And you don't have to disconnect, you just have to disconnect one because electricity has to flow through. And the way the meter works is that the electricity is flowing from the meter back to the meter. If you leave this on, it's going to flow through the system and you're going to keep reading total resistance. But if you just go here and you disconnect it, just one side, it'll come out here and you should get a higher number. 25. And let me see if I disconnect this one, but it will do.
Yeah, there were people that like, we almost ran in a chiller, from a chiller right up.
Same number. And these will all be the same number. All these bulbs will be the same number.
But it'll be here tomorrow, so this is what I designed.
26. Oh, my hand is in front of you. 26. Coming over here. Come over here. Oh, this one's, is it connected? Let me just connect this a little bit. Interesting. This one's different. It could be the bulb itself, but let me disconnect. Interesting. It's the bulb. That bulb is a little off. Sometimes these bulbs are really old. Apparently they can't really buy these anymore or something like that, or it's hard to order them something. So these bulbs have probably been used so many times, right? So I'll just set that there. But so as you saw, to get the individual resistance, you have to disconnect it and then put your meter on. Power off, obviously, we're still doing resistance. Power off to get the individual ones. And when it comes to parallel, according to Kirchhoff law, it'll be lower than the lowest. So when it comes to parallel, so these are 26, so the total resistance was 8. Right? And you could use product sum or reciprocal formula to pull that off, to find out what it is. All right, perfect. So that was, I didn't do amperage, I didn't do voltage. All right, let me reassemble all this and we'll get going.